Hey there, YouTube. Doing a pack opening of some Cyber Storm Access. Trying my luck with this set. Not really looking for anything in particular. Maybe some starlights. And just saw these at my local Target. Just wanted to try it. See what we get. So let's see. I always hate it. Okay. Hopefully something decent. Alright, first pack. Cyber Samurai. I heard this stuff is good. Wannabe. Okay, first super rare. Okay, to the next. Which pulls are this. Okay. Pearly. This looks cool. And we have Ringo Worm. Okay, first ultra rare. Don't really know a whole lot about this set. I'm an old school collector, so okay. Let's see. Wait, is this the same pack? Baromet, the Sacred Sheep Shrub. Definitely cool art. So far, we have 2 supers and an ultra. See what we get. More Super Heavy Samurai, Sign It, Circuit, Firewall Phantom. This card is sent to the graveyard as a material falling summon. This is actually a pretty decent card. Protect Code Talker. Cool. Okay. What do we get? Next pack. More purely stuff. Pendulum. Bunny Ear Enthusiast. looking. And Bee Trooper. Okay. Another Bee Trooper fusion. I guess they're really supporting this archetype. Kind of cool, actually. New insect support is always fun. Okay. Next pack. Cyanide Circuit, Golden Cloud Beast, Trap Tracks. I'm not even trying to say this. The Bestial Allure. This card good. It's another Allure monster. I guess it might be good. And Bestial decks or Albaz deck, I assume. Next pack. Man, these things are freaking annoying. Okay. No secret so far, just a single ultra. Pig Iron versus Pen Peg. Imperial Princess Query. Virtual World Tiger. Oh, is this a new virtual world monster? That's pretty cool. Oh, see our first. Okay. Not familiar with this archetype. Golden Pride. See what we get. And let's see. Imperial Princess. Looks like the same pack. What's the last one? Sign it, rollback, and another Gold Pride trap card. I might look at this. Sign it, rollback. Target one of your managed cyber monsters. Okay. Nothing super cool so far. No secret yet. And Manadium Meek. Looks like a cool card. Not familiar with this either. Okay, next pack. That's the last pack actually. See what we get. Oh, I think I kind of already see it. Super Heavy Samurai Stealthy, Cyanide Circuit, Super Heavy Samurai Prodigy Wakashi. The art is definitely cool on this. exactly sure what the deck does. Okay, so here's the recap. Super Heavy Samurai, Mana Diem Meek, Sign It Rollback, Gold Pride, Pinballer, the Bestial Allure, B Trooper, Protect Code Talker, Baromet, the Sacred Sheep, Ringo Worm, it's a dragon, it's a 2 in there too, I didn't notice that. That was a pretty cool effect. Not exactly sure what it's used for, but definitely cool. And then this card, Wannabe. Well, that's it. These are the pulls. Nothing too great. So, yeah. Peace.